Hi everybody, welcome back to McLaren, Greenwich, and Miller Motorcars. My name is Nick Leiningen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your climate control features on the 2021 McLaren GT. From the main menu, you have two options to get into the climate control. You can simply click the button to the left of the home button, or on the screen itself, click the fan. Once you're in the menu, you have quite a bit of functionality here. Perhaps my two favorites are the quick hot and the quick cool settings. So on a very hot summer's day, if you get into the vehicle, you can click the quick cool and that'll cool the car down rather quickly, as the name suggests. And conversely, during the winter, if you get into the car and it's exceptionally cold out, you simply click quick hot and conversely it'll heat the car up as quickly as possible. Another few features of the McLaren GT climate control system are the ability to independently control each side of the vehicle's temperature. So if the driver likes the car cold, you can simply go to the low setting. Conversely, if the passenger would like to be at a bit higher of a temperature, you can control that as well. If both the passenger and the driver agree on a temperature, you click the sync button. You can then control the entirety of the vehicle with one touch. And lastly, a little fun fact about the interface here. You see the mannequin himself is in fact wearing a helmet, a little nod to the McLaren automotive racing heritage. If you click on his upper half, you'll activate your upper fans. Conversely, if you click on his lower half, you'll activate your lower fans. I hope all of this helps.